We'll guide you through how to make PDF full screen in Microsoft Edge. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open File Explorer on your computer or laptop and browse to the folder containing the PDF document that you want to view. Once you have located the correct folder, find the PDF file you would like to open. Right-click the PDF file to display the context menu. From the available options, select Open With, then choose Microsoft Edge from the list of applications. Verify that the file opens successfully and that every page is displayed correctly before continuing to the next step. After the document has loaded, move your cursor to the top right corner of the PDF viewer. Locate the button labeled Enter PDF Full Screen, which is represented by a full screen icon. Hover your cursor over the button without clicking it immediately. Wait for the tooltip to appear and verify that it displays the text Enter PDF Full Screen. Once you have confirmed the correct button, click the Enter PDF Full Screen button. Verify that the browser interface, tabs, address bar, and toolbars disappear from the screen. Confirm that the PDF document now fills the entire display, allowing you to focus only on the content without unnecessary distractions. This viewing mode is especially useful when reading long documents, presentations, manuals, or reports because it maximizes the available screen space. While you are in full screen mode, continue reading the document by scrolling through the pages using your mouse wheel or the keyboard. If necessary, navigate between pages using the available navigation controls or keyboard shortcuts supported by the PDF viewer. Continue reviewing the document normally and confirm that page transitions remain smooth and responsive throughout the reading experience.